So guys, this is a step-by-step process of how I edit my YouTube video to go viral. So we're going to be going ahead to our YouTube app. This can be done either on the desktop or on the normal YouTube app, but most time I find it difficult uploading from the desktop due to my storage limits and some network issues on my phone. But we can also achieve the same results, just that the difference is that I won't be able to access the thumbnail feature. But trust me when I say, if you can do it the right way, you will definitely get a beautiful result. Don't worry, I'm going to be sharing a lot of secrets with you in this video, and believe me when I say you're going to learn a whole lot, because I'm going to be sharing one secret thing that I do on my Vidiq, which I don't think anybody else do it on this YouTube street. So let us just get straight into the video. Today I don't want it to be too long, that is why I'm going to be going straight to the point. So we're going to be going ahead to click on this plus sign. So when you come to this plus sign, let's just go straight to the video aspect. So I'm gonna just pick a random video on my gallery here, just a very short random video that doesn't warrant any stress and all that. So let's click on this video. Now the next thing we're going to click on is next. So now we're going to be needing to input my thumbnail. So let's just make use of this thumbnail for this video for the sake of the tutorial. Now the next thing we have to do is to go ahead and put a title. So let's say the video I want to make about is how to go viral. That is the topic of the video on YouTube. You might be wondering, why did I put this viral in capital letter? Yes, because that is what this whole video is all about. That is why I put it in capital letter, in order to make my title more defining. Now the next thing we need to do is to go ahead to put our description. Like as I used to say, do not make your description too long, just something very short. Are you tired of getting low views? Are you tired of getting low views? Here are 5 things or 4 things to help boost your video visibility. Yeah, so guys, once we are done with this, we just go ahead and include hashtags like viral video, hashtag how to, there's no need for space, hashtag viral video, hashtag get more views, hashtag get more views. It's already here. Just go ahead and input like 3 to 4 or 5 hashtags. Then once we are done, just exit this place, come ahead to this not made for kids. My channel is set on that permanently. If you don't know how to do this, you can drop it in the comment section, and I'll be creating a video for you on that, on how to set your channel to as not made for kids, in order for you to not be selecting it every time you are about to upload. Now location, normal, my country Nigeria, add to playlist. This is one of the things that I don't expect you to miss at all. As you can see, these are the numbers of the playlist on my channel, so I just add it to a single playlist. Done. Then, is this an altered content? Please always click on no, except if you're not the original owner of the content, or you got it from an AI something. You can go ahead and read the instructions here. Then after that, come over to this page promotion. As long as you're not promoting the video in any way at all, always make sure you click on no. So after this, we just go ahead and click on upload. Now after clicking on upload, this is where the work begins, because immediately the video is uploaded, let's just assume that the video is uploaded, the next thing I do is to rush straight to my Vidiq app. So once I get to my Vidiq app, let's assume that this is the video we just uploaded, this first video. Now go ahead and click on the thumbnail. So once you click on the thumbnail, it's going to bring you to this place where you have the title, where you have your thumbnail, you have details, SEO, and checklist. I don't have any business with every other thing here. So the only thing I have business with is the details, because this is where I want to generate my description and tag. But unfortunately, lately the Vidiq has stopped this description aspect to be free. That means you have to pay, but the tags is still available. So once you come over to this tag section, Vidiq is going to recommend tags according to the title of your video. So that is why I say you have to try and optimize your title very well. Now, not all the tags Vidiq bring you should pick the ones that are in line with the topic. Like, okay, this particular video is more like how to get more views, that is turning off some setting. So if you notice, the tags I use in this video are in line with the topic. And sometimes if you check and the tags that bring you for you is not corresponding, all you just need to do is to come over here, add tags, add your own tag and put comma. So that's just it. So let's assume you are done with this whole process. You click on, okay, let me add one tag to make it much more. Hey, once you are done with every single thing you're doing here, you're going to see this publish changes to your video. Go ahead and click on it. So once you've clicked on it, that is all. This is one of the secret things I do. So guys, this is the first one. Now, if you cannot be able to do this one, I'll just advise you to come over to this generate aspect. So once you come over to this generate aspect, go ahead and impute the title of your video. Come over here and click on go viral. Let's assume this is the video that I want to edit. I hope you guys are understanding me. Now come down to this tags section. You see a lot of tags here, so all you just need to do is to come over here and click on this copy to clipboard. That is if you don't want to use the first option which I gave. Mind you, not all the tags here are in line with the video you are creating. Any tag you notice that is not in correspondence with the topic of your video, just go ahead and remove it. Like for example, this online marketing, I don't need it, so just remove it. YouTube algorithm, I don't need it, just remove it. And once you're done, come over here and recopy it again. So once you've recopied it, now we're going to be going to the last part of this whole video, the last thing I do on my channel, on my video, each time I upload. So the last setting is in the desktop version of our YouTube studio. What are we trying to do? We're just trying to re-edit the video in order for us to put our end screens and card. So once you come up to this place, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on this edit option. So when you click on this edit option, you're going to automatically select the video immediately. Don't waste time. So once you select the video, it's going to bring you to this place. Just like as I mentioned earlier on your description, you have to make it very short. So after making it very short, just put like 3 to 4 hashtags. Then the next thing you need to do is to drop link of a playlist video. So if you notice in this my video here, because this video is already uploaded, you can see the link of my playlist video on it. So once you're done, make sure you click on save. Then you can go ahead and check on other settings. So once you're done with that, please come over to this right hand side of your screen where you have your end screens and end card. So go ahead and click on your end screen. You're going to see up to like 4 elements, so just make sure you select your preferred one. But I used to advise choose the one that have a playlist, a video, and a subscribe button. This first box you see here is just a single video. This second one is option for people to subscribe to my channel, and this last one is playlist. So once you're done fixing this part, go ahead and click on save. Then after that, the next thing I do is to come to this card section. This is one of my favorite parts. Why? Is because I have 5 different video cards to add. So just take your time and select your preferred card. Once you are done with this aspect, do not forget to click on save. If you don't know how to go about this card, I have a lot of videos on that on my channel, so you can just check it out. So as soon as you're done, do not forget to always click on save. So guys, trust me when I say, if you're able to start implementing these 3 methods that I use in uploading my videos to go viral, your videos is definitely going to pick up. And if maybe you have been practicing this act and you're not seeing any changes on your channel, then it could be that there are some YouTube settings on your customization that you've not done, or your YouTube phone number is not verified. And if you start it and if you start uploading like this, don't just expect a very quick or fast result. YouTube is slow and steady. It's going to take time, but your channel is going to peak. So if you've watched to this extent and you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.